Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Patrick in Hawaii on this Ranger RCI-69VHP. Patrick, I think you're going to enjoy this radio. Ranger really did a real good job on it. They're using the RT1 transistors. Set up real nicely, got a nice receiver on it, clean audio, and let's get right to it, okay? I'm going to start with your RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. I set it down to 2 watts just in case you need full adjustability there. In case you decide to run an amplifier. RF power all the way up. 20 watts. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low, about 45 bird average. Go over to the peak side. 100 watt slug, low, 90 watts peak. So basically it rivals the Striker 955, but in the RCI platform. Alright Patrick, I hope you enjoy it. Appreciate your business. Check us out on the web at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.